Imagine this. You're in the middle of a high-stakes poker game. The tension is palpable, the stakes are astronomical, and your opponent is an AI. Suddenly, it cracks a joke about your poker face. Wait, what? AI not only playing but jesting too. Welcome to the future, folks, where artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword. It's a game changer. And if you don't want to be left holding a losing hand, it's time to upskill. So, what are these essential AI skills that will keep you ahead in the game? Let's dive in. 1. Programming proficiency. First up, the language of the machines. To communicate effectively with AI, you need to speak its tongue. Languages like Python, Java, R, C++, and JavaScript are your new best friends. They're the tools you'll use to build, tweak, and perfect AI algorithms. Think of them as the grammar and vocabulary of the AI world. Without them, you're essentially trying to mime your way through a Shakespearean play. 2. Machine learning, ML expertise. Next, let's talk about teaching machines to learn. Machine learning is the backbone of AI. It's what allows systems to improve over time without being explicitly programmed for every single task. Understanding various ML models and algorithms, from supervised to unsupervised learning, as well as deep learning techniques like convolutional and recurrent neural networks, is crucial. It's like giving AI the ability to not just read the recipe, but to tweak it for a better cake each time. 3. Data modeling and processing. Now, imagine trying to find a needle in a haystack. That's what working with data can feel like without proper skills. Collecting, analyzing, and processing large datasets are vital to train AI models effectively. Ensuring data quality and relevance is like sifting through that haystack to find not just any needle, but the golden one. 4. Natural language processing, NLP. Ever had a conversation with a chatbot that felt eerily human? That's NLP in action. It's the skill that enables machines to understand and interact using human language. Mastering NLP means you can develop applications like chatbots and virtual assistants that don't just respond but engage in meaningful dialogues. It's like teaching AI to not just hear but to listen and respond wittily. 5. AI ethics and security. With great power comes great responsibility. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, understanding the ethical implications is paramount. This includes mitigating biases, ensuring data privacy, and implementing security measures to protect AI systems from adversarial attacks. Think of it as being the moral compass and bodyguard for AI, ensuring it doesn't go rogue or get compromised. 6. Critical thinking and problem solving. AI can process data at lightning speed, but it still needs human oversight to interpret and apply insights effectively. Enhancing your ability to critically analyze AI-generated data and develop innovative solutions to complex problems is essential. It's like being the detective who pieces together clues to solve the mystery that AI presents. 7. Creativity and innovation. While AI can analyze patterns, creativity remains a uniquely human trait. Cultivating the capacity to think creatively allows you to design novel AI applications and improve existing systems. It's about thinking outside the box that AI is confined to, bringing a touch of human ingenuity to machine efficiency. 8. Emotional intelligence. In a world where machines are becoming more prevalent, the ability to understand and manage human emotions is invaluable. Developing interpersonal skills to collaborate effectively within teams and understand user needs ensures AI solutions are user-centric. It's the bridge between cold algorithms and warm human experiences. 9. Prompt engineering. Crafting effective prompts to interact with AI models is an emerging skill. It's about optimizing inputs to get the desired outputs from AI systems. Think of it as learning to ask the right questions to get the best answers, a crucial skill in the age of AI. 10. AI literacy building. A foundational understanding of AI concepts enables informed decision-making and effective communication with technical teams. It's like learning the basics of a new language, allowing you to navigate the AI landscape confidently. 11. ML Ops, machine learning operations. Deploying, monitoring, and maintaining AI models in production environments require a blend of skills. MLOps ensures scalability and reliability, making sure that AI models perform well in real-world scenarios. It's the equivalent of not just building a car, but ensuring it runs smoothly on all terrains. 12. Domain-specific knowledge. Finally, applying AI techniques effectively requires understanding the specific industry or field where AI solutions will be implemented. It's about tailoring AI to fit the unique challenges and nuances of different domains, ensuring relevance and effectiveness. In conclusion, staying ahead in the AI game isn't about mastering a single skill, but developing a diverse set that encompasses both technical and soft competencies. By doing so, you position yourself to leverage AI technologies effectively, ensuring you're not just keeping up with the future but shaping it. Share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in technology and AI.